Hello and welcome. This is the all-new 2026 Cadillac V. Not just any V, but an Escalade-V at that. But damn, does it look good. With 24-inch rims and Brembo brakes, it's surely going to stop this beast. With its 6.2-liter supercharged V8, it's nothing but astonishing. And with the whopping price tag of $185,000, not bad actually for a Cadillac, wouldn't you think? At the end of the day, you're getting nothing but luxury. Cadillac luxury. And with quad exhaust and a big old V marker and the biggest tailgate push button I've ever seen, plenty of room for family items. Now that we're inside this Cadillac, it's nothing but luxury everywhere, with a massive screen that literally goes from one end all the way to the other, and the whole thing on the passenger side is a touch screen for audio or GPS or whatever happens to float the boat of the passenger right about this point. With the AKG sound system and 36 speakers, you do get the full surround sound taste in here. Obviously, it's a Cadillac V, so there is no problems when it comes down to ride comfort in the inside, heated, cooling, massaging seats all around, except for the third row. That's the only people don't get anything, really much of anything luxury. But the first two rows, nothing but luxury, heated and cooled and massaging, all of them. And you can control them right here on this display. You can open doors, you can close doors. You can even open up your glove box with that thing, which, why? But whatever, you know, it's Cadillac, why not? And it also has, I had to look this up, a augmented navigation. And what that means is, let's say you have the navigation on your screen. What it will do is it will show you like an actual driving blueprint. So it'll like shove you into there and it'll show you arrows of where you're supposed to turn, especially in the city areas where it probably gets a little complicated of where to turn. You've got that on that screen, so you know exactly where to turn. So it's pretty ingenious. Night vision mode, magnetic ride. So if you ran over a pothole, especially here in Oklahoma, which there is plenty of them here, you really shouldn't feel it all that much. Which this car is just incredible, with huge amount of spacing here, which this can be heated, actually cooled. This is a cooling area. It's like a little miniature fridge right here in the middle, which is incredible. You got enough room to put your phone in these slots here. Obviously, you got your cup holders over there. Everything, headlights, everything is all right here in the center or here in the center of the dash. Absolutely incredible. And as I sit back here in the back seat, I am bathed in luxury. I've got a speaker here, speaker in the headset and the headrest, speaker here. I do have an infotainment system here, and on the back of the seats, I can watch what I want, navigate through here. And I can also open my door without having to touch the door and close it. It's incredible. Inside of here is where it's really cool. You open this, flip this lever here, you get this metal arm. Fold this metal arm out, close this hatch. Now you've got yourself a tray table. Absolute incredible. And it's actual metal. It's a metal tray table. Absolutely incredible. It's just awesome all the way around. Slide you right back in there, close this, and act like nothing ever happened. Heated, cooling, massaging seats back here, just as it is in the front. It's just nothing but glamour, and I absolutely love it.